First day of kindergarten. We're gonna go meet Kanta's teacher from now. Kento looks a little nervous. So this way って書いてある。Kento, you're in room 18. So let's find room 18.
This is what Kento got.
This is what Kento got from his kindergarten teacher today on the first day of school. So he got some wine corks and some pasta shells and dried beans and these math cubes and wood sticks. I think the pasta shells and the beans and the cubes, they're really popular with lower elementary school kids for their math. And we also got a number line and a pack of playing cards and some things that he can put on his desk with his name on it, and some construction paper and workbooks and more worksheets and paper. And he got some, I think, just toys, a ball and a squishy thing. We get to color the apple in the same row that has the same shape. So here is our rectangle, right? Where is our rectangle? And then can you find a rectangle? Yes, you got it. How about next one? Oval. Can you say oval?
Oval.
Yeah. You can use the same color. It's okay. Color in the oval. And then, yeah. And hexagon. Hexagon.
Hexagon.
The shape. Here we have a...
What's the next shape?
What is that? It's a circle, you're right. So you're going to trace all the shapes and then you're going to color in the circle. Here we have a 3 sides, 3 vertices.
Kento, can you say triangle? Yes, good job. Triangle.
The center of the apple. Now, if you happen to have an apple at home, or if you've seen pictures of the inside of an apple, you'll know that the seeds are what color? They are brown. So
Yeah, they're brown.
Apple seeds here.
So, how does the inside of an apple, what does it look like?
2つあるこっち。
Oh yeah, the C is split in half. 種半分に割れちゃったね。So this is what it looks like. Kento, how many C's did you draw? How many? 1, 2. Kento, how many?
5.
5? You drew 5?
4.
4? Yes, you drew 4 apple seeds. Okay, and then now to the next slide. Pixie, I don't think that will work. You have to try with your finger.
These are the boys and girls in our room 18 class. Good waiting.
We're done with distant learning for today, and we're just playing outside, relaxing. So distant learning for kindergarten and 4th grade wasn't too bad. But I realized that my kids, they both have very little exposure to English. So I think I need to do something about that. Maybe organize an English play date with some friends, or maybe consider putting the kids in some class. We'll see how it all goes. But I think we're off to a good start. ね、いいスタートだと思います。Both kids had homework, and Kanto, it seemed like he maybe understood about 5% of the distant learning because of English. And then for Rina, I think she understood maybe about 85% of what the teacher was saying. I was hoping that she would understand a little more, but I think the teacher used words that are a little advanced for her, maybe on purpose. But it's good to always be exposed to new words and not really know the definition, but be able to guess what it all means. I was hoping she'd be able to do a little more of that, but I'm hoping, well, practice makes progress. That's what Rina's teacher said today. Usually we hear the phrase, practice makes perfect. 練習すれば完璧になる. Practice makes perfect is used a lot, but then Rina's teacher said practice makes progress. Progress means 進歩. And I think that's a great way of motivating kids or anyone. So I really like that phrase, practice makes progress. So that's it for my kids' first day of school of distant learning. Thanks for watching and see you next time. So we're done with our first day of school, and Rina is reading Japanese comic book. ソムリエル読んでます。So Rina, how was your first day of school?
Good.
Good. What else? Fun? Confusing? Were you a little nervous?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it was how long? From 8:20 to about 12?
Yeah.
Yeah, so about 4 hours. Did you feel that it was really long or short or sort of boring or exciting?
Really long.
Really long. And was it fun though?
Yeah.
Yeah. Were you able to talk to your classmates?
Not really.
Not really. Did you say something?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you say?
Like what I like to do.
What you like to do? So you said your name and what you like to do?
Yeah.
What did you say?
My name is Rina Sakai, and I like to go outside.
Oh, you like to go outside. Yes, that is true.